The economy doesn't grow in a straight line, it moves in waves called the business cycle. Let's look at how these phases work. At its core, the business cycle is about the natural fluctuation of economic activity over time, moving between growth and contraction. While individual cycles have peaks and valleys, the long-term trend for the U.S. economy has historically been one of consistent growth. There are four distinct phases: expansion, where things get better, the peak, contraction, and finally the trough, or the cycle's bottom. Expansion is characterized by rising output and jobs, while contraction sees a cooling off in spending and business investment. Historically, expansion periods last significantly longer than periods of contraction, which is why the overall economic trend remains positive. Remember, the business cycle isn't a fixed clock, it's a way to map how businesses and consumers feel about the future. Understanding these cycles helps you make better long-term decisions. Subscribe for more money basics and keep learning.